Today we're going to talk about multiplication and division with base 10 blocks, and we're going to start out with multiplication. Here you have a flat, and on your grid paper it's divided into the same as your flat is. So you can line it up just like this, and it comes out equally, and we know this equals 100. And it's 10 across here, and 10 across here, and 10 up, 10 across. So we know that equals 100. So we can look at it like 10 times 10 equals 100. If you want to make it more difficult, you can do maybe like 12 times 14. So again, you'll have 10 across, 10 on the bottom, but on top you'll need 2 more, so you'll lay your long across here to go up 2, and you'll use 4 more longs to go across to make 14. And then you fill in your little units. So then you could just count 10, 11, 12 times 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and up here. So if you counted all those together, you would have, so then you would have, to get your answer, you would do 100, and then you would count your extras, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that would be 160, and then you would go up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A minute ago I called these extras, and what I meant to say were these were longs, your yellows are longs, and these greens are your units. So again, you have your flat, which equals 100, and your longs, there's 6 longs and 8 units. So your answer to 12 times 14 would be 168. To simplify this for your younger students, something much simpler, you could do a problem such as 2 times 4. So you would take 2 units and go up, and you would take 4 units and go across. And then you fill it in. So right here you have 8 units, and that is your answer to 2 times 4. That is multiplication with base 10, and now we will move to division. In division, with base 10 blocks, you would simply break it into equal parts. So if you had 200 divided by 2, you would use 2 flats because you had 200, and you would want to break that in to 2 parts. So you would bring down the two. Your answer would be 100 because you only count what's in one group right here. So for a more difficult question, you could do 252 divided by 2. So with this, we're going to need, we already have our 2 flats. We need 5 longs and 2 units. So what we will do is, we will take the flat first, divide it by 2, and we'll distribute the longs evenly. And as you can see, we come into a problem with this. There's only one, and we need to do it evenly, so we need to decompose of this long. We do that by making that into 10 separate units. So we have that, we take this away. We can combine these with these because they are the same, they're all units now. So then you would just divide these evenly. And again, your answer is what's in one group. So you would have 100, you have one flat, 120, because you have 2 longs, 126 would be your answer.